Hi guys. Okay, we are going to attempt for me to show you how to use one of my favorite apps to make a graphic on, sorry. And I've never done this before with the iPhone screen share, so I'm not sure how it's going to work. Plus, my phone goes off constantly, so I'm not for sure how that's going to work with this, but bear with me. We're going to be doing the Word Swag app. If you can see, see my phone locked. If you can see the Word Swag app right here, that down towards the bottom, that's what we're going to be doing. This is my favorite graphics app to make graphics with. I do about 90% of my graphics on this app. It is not a free app. I think it costs around $5 on the iPhone. I'm not sure on Android. So when you first go to the front screen, you see at the bottom, camera, library, free photos. We're going to go into free photos. But what library means is you can use any photo that you have stored on your phone. What camera means is you can take a new picture. So we're in free photos, and they have a lot of photos that are available for you. You can type up top, you can search anything that you want. And I mean, there's a ton of photos here. So we're just going to go ahead, and you guys are going to help me create the thumbnail for this video that you're watching right now. So this is the background that I'm using. And at the bottom of the screen, you can see the different types of photo sizes that are available. So I'm going to click on the one that says Facebook Post. I'm going to crop that picture up. You just go up top and you hit Next. And then you can double tap in the middle to change your text. So I'm going to double tap on it. And I'm going to type, because I'm making a thumbnail for how to use this graphic app. So I'm going to type Word Swag tutorial. And I actually want to do one word on each line. So you just type your words in. And you spell them correctly, if that helps. And you click Done. And it's telling me that it doesn't like for me to have one word on each line, but I don't care. So I'm going to continue through the next step. And then here we are. Here's my words. Now I want to change the way this looks because I want it to match everything else. So I'm going to click on where it says color right there at the bottom. Now I'm going to change this. Well, actually, already is white. I'm going to go to Style. So click on Style. And with the text that it's using right now, I can click on the numbers at the very bottom of the phone, and it rearranges everything. Let's go over to this font. It's Truth and Wisdom. This font is what I'm currently using to label all the thumbnail slides for this class. So, let's see. I like the way that looks. Do you? So I have it right there in the middle of the screen. Now, I want to make it bigger. So I'm just going to take my fingers on my phone and stretch it out a little bit. Make sure it stays even. And then I'm going to hit Save. And I'm all done. I can now, that phone has been saved to that graphic has been saved to the camera roll of my phone, and I am good to go to use this graphic any way that I want to.